Hi there, my name is Rachel, and today I'm talking about the Workin Dog Medical Kit from the Adventure Dog series lineup. When you're in the field or far from home, this kit is equipped to handle serious canine medical emergencies. This kit includes our Canine Field Medicine Guide, written by veterinarian Sid Gustafson, DVM. This book gives you the knowledge and instructions to treat your pet wherever you are. There's a full assortment of first aid supplies here, including a styptic pencil, EMT shears, a wound irrigation tool, and an SOL emergency blanket. And for more serious situations, this kit also comes with Quick Clot to stop bleeding fast, hemostat forceps, and a disposable skin stapler. Sometimes the hardest working person at the ranch or on a hunt isn't a person at all. The Workin Dog Kit has what you need to keep your companion safe.